Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2015 Leaf. We'll need a few items first, so let's go over that. First, you probably want a light. Nice bright light. You can use your phone with that as well too if you'd like. Probably a nice vacuum would be good. A pair of pliers, that might help a little bit too. A screwdriver, always handy. And of course, your air filter. I'll list the parts later. First, we gotta get into the cabin. This is the area that we have to work with, right underneath the glove box. Let's take a look. Let's see. It's all underneath there. And the filter's right up in there. Now that we know where the panel is located, we're going to go ahead and remove it, starting from the front to the back. You'll notice that some videos, they actually remove the whole entire glove box. That is not necessary. My helpful assistant is going to be doing the removal right now. And just like that, it's done. Now that we've removed the access panel, we're going to go and take a look and see where the filter is. Here's the top here, and it goes all the way into here. And that's where it is. It's up, way up in there. An easy way of accessing the leaf panel is maybe sitting down through here like this. That might help a bit more. Alright, we've got to reposition the camera. It's a tight one in there. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the clips, and then we're going to take out that filter. Let's give it a try.
Just launched it at my face.
Alright. Okay, now we've got the filter. Now that we've got the cover off, we can get in and grab the filter. An easy way of removing the filter is to grab that tab and pulling it. If it tears, we're going to have to go in with some pliers.
Sorry. Yeah.
There we go, it's removed. Now that we've got the filter, the old filter out, we're going to pop in the new one. Please note which side goes in. There is a little tab that sticks out. You may have to hurry and squish it in there.
Did it?
Alright, now that you've moved your hand away for a second. Now that you've been struggling and stuff, the filter is in, and now we just have to put on the cap.
Yeah, for sure.
And the last little bit is snapping back the cover. Here's a shot of the filter. It's pretty dirty. It hasn't been changed in a couple of years. You can basically tell quite a bit of dirt in here. That's pretty dirty. Lots of debris and lots of stuff it's captured. It did its job. A couple of years worth of filter. This is the filter that we're using. It's a TYC cabin air filter. So there you go, with about half an hour worth of work and a couple of access panels, we're able to change a filter on a 2015 Leaf. That was pretty good. What do you think?
Great.
How was the work?
Pretty good.
So how easy was it to access the panel?
It was pretty difficult to access the panel. It's very in there.
All right, but we got it done. Good job.